The motor is the whole thing of this car. This motor was Don Nicholson's in his funny car. And I had the funny car years ago in the 70s. We put a new blower on it and touched it up, but it's original block and everything that he ran. And we run it on an alcohol circuit, and I ended up in a divorce and I kept the motor. So it was in my garage for 40-some years. And I come down here with some friends when they started all this Cacklefest stuff. And my buddy over there, he said, why don't we build a car, put your motor together, and go to the Cacklefest. So this is how we ended up with down here with this.
So how long have you been doing the Hot Rod Reunion?
About 7 or 8 years, something like that. It took us 2 or 3 years to get the car together and everything, yeah.
And so are you doing exclusively just the Cacklefest?
Yes, we don't run it. I mean, down the track, we just decided we're not going to. We kind of built the car, we put the 5-point hit, cage on it, thinking we might, but we're not. We're happy with what we're doing, and we're just gonna. We go to several car shows, throughout the summer, and that's what we do. We just do the Cacklefest with it.
She's a beauty. I love the name, the camera.
That's what I thought. Well, that's kind of what I put together with. I said, that's what we need to call the car.
Absolutely, yeah.
Because that's what they called those back in the day, was the cameras.
Yeah.